How to erase an iPhone. To get started, first of all open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are here, scroll down and find the General option. Tap on General to manage your overall setup and preferences. On the next screen, scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Erase all content and settings. A summary shows what will be removed, so tap on Continue to proceed. Enter your device passcode when the keypad appears. If Find My iPhone is enabled, enter your Apple ID password to turn it off. Confirm the reset by tapping on Erase iPhone. Tap on Erase iPhone again to finalize. The display turns black and the Apple logo with a progress bar appears. Wait while the iPhone securely removes your data and settings. The device restarts by itself when the erase is complete. The Hello screen shows up, meaning the phone has been erased and is ready for setup. This process can take several minutes, and the device cannot be used during it. Following these steps, you can erase an iPhone from settings.